Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, just like how we anticipated, this leading indicator did attracted the price around 29,000, and now the question here is, will the price head towards the next price opportunity from this leading indicator, which currently sits around, you can see, which currently sits around 74,700, or is it going to result in a corrective move for now, price getting attracted towards the next CPR, the month of November, and only after that start with another continuation like this? So what could be playing out next? Because looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, yes, we are being flashed with some very interesting move which we are going to talk in this video. But first thing first, please do me a favor and destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now let's look at this weekly time frame, because in a weekly time frame the price of Bitcoin actually looks very bullish because we are breaking out from this falling channel, descending channel, or bull flag upper trend line, and along with that we are also above this bull market support band, 20-week simple moving average, 21-week exponential moving average. And since this weekly is clearly above these moving averages, it looks like preparing ourselves for another continuation here to the upside, because beside this indicator, even to the downside, you can see, I mean, if you look at this MACD has just flashed a bullish cross, guys. In a weekly time frame, this is a bullish MACD cross. RSI line has already jumped over 50, and even this T3CCI indicator is in a positive territory, showing us strength. I mean, price of Bitcoin actually looks like preparing itself for another move to the upside, because parallelly beside this bull flag, beside the confirmation from these indicators to the downside, even this descending broadly weight scenario is playing out perfectly, because in the bigger picture we found out, beside this falling channel, beside this bull flag breakout, the price of Bitcoin was also breaking out from this descending broadening wedge, which is another continuation pattern. So remaining over 60,000 in a bigger picture, you can see the price could be preparing itself for another continuation like this, because parallelly beside this descending broadening wedge, beside this falling channel bull flag, even the double bottom scenario for now looks like playing out perfectly. I mean, the price has already broken out of this neckline from this double bottom, right? And since then, just like I shown you an example, we are also witnessing ups and downs. But according to this double bottom, the price of Bitcoin is expected to show furthermore bullish move. And if you look at the price opportunity from this double bottom, you can see it clearly shows us the price of Bitcoin could be heading towards to form a new all-time high. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. This here, right, this double bottom scenario looks like playing out perfectly along with the bullish scenario in a bigger picture, because we are aware, guys, in the medium short term, it does not necessarily mean the price has to show a move like this. Please be aware, right? We might see a few more shakeout like this, price coming back to test some key trend line and slowly starting with another bullish move, because this is another bullish continuation of falling wedge in a daily time frame, is another bullish continuation. And just like I shown you an example, after breaking the upper trend line, we have finally started with this actual bullish move. So according to this falling wedge, you can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin looks like preparing itself for another continuation here to the upside. But before this bullish continuation even plays out, please be aware of some shakeout. I mean, I personally think the price of Bitcoin could come back to test some key trend line again, and only after that start with an actual bullish continuation. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that, yes, we are aware even the Bollinger Band upper band has been broken, but in the medium short term, it could be, right, it could be resulting in a pullback, a small pullback towards this basis line or the central line from this Bollinger Band, which is going to be above 60,000. And then another continuation like this, because I personally think price, after testing the first target for the month of October, might show some weakness. I mean, yes, this here was our first price target for the month of October. That's exactly where we came. That's exactly where we are facing resistance. So according to this leading indicator, if the price fails to break out of this R1 line, shows another continuation like this, please do not worry. I have been very clear with you guys. Remaining above 60,000 means the month of November will be also looked as a bullish month. Yes, guys, staying above 60,000 means a new ascending CPR for the month of November, and we know ascending CPR only gets formed during uptrend. So any sort of a pullback in the medium short term, price remaining on 60,000 means just a temporary pullback, because we are aware, guys, price parallelly in a smaller time frame is also breaking out from this symmetrical triangle, another bullish continuation pattern. So according to this bullish continuation pattern and according to this Fibonacci extension line, if I had to add it again from this low, from this low till this high, if you look at this Fibonacci extension line, you can see the 100% extension sits around 72,700. So that's why, guys, this here above 70,000 is the area where we could be getting attracted, because we just found out with the help of this October CPR, the next target, I mean, the first target has already been reached. The next target, if the price is going to break out of this R1 line, the next target sits around 74,700. So the price of Bitcoin will be making a new all-time high. So guys, what I'm trying to pinpoint is that even if the price starts showing weakness, even if the price starts following this rising wedge, which is a bearish continuation pattern for now, please do not panic. Why? Because this could be just a temporary pullback. I mean, this upper trend line is rejecting us, lower trend line is holding us. So even if the price starts breaking here to the downside, because this is a bearish continuation pattern, please do not worry. I just showed you this pullback could be just a temporary pullback, and right after testing some key trend line, I'm actually expecting another bullish continuation. Yes, guys, any sort of a pullback during this bullish move could be a great buying opportunity, because we know over 60,000 we have extremely important support lying for Bitcoin. And not just only that, even the Bitcoin ETF flow table, you can see, guys, there is millions of dollars coming in. I mean, from 11th of October till 17th of October, you can see we have millions of dollars, $253 million inflow, $555 million inflow, $371 million inflow, $458 million inflow, $470 million inflow. So institutions are buying in crazy pace. So please do not get left out, because if you are worried about some pullback, some retracement, please, guys, please simply zoom out, because in a bigger picture, the price of Bitcoin looks extremely bullish. So this is what I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed this kind of content, if you want to support me, then please, guys, please try that like button, and also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.